Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to make a shape in Photoshop. Okay, first I will create a new layer. Now see this shape, rectangle shape, a round rectangle, ellipse tool, polygon tool, line tool, custom shape. Okay, first select rectangle shape, select the color of rectangle. Oh sorry, stroke not stroke. Select the color. Okay, custom size and hold shift to fix size. Okay, round, hold shift, oh sorry, hold shift for fix size or round. Create a new layer. Create a new layer. Polygon slide. Use 5. Okay, and now you can see this many custom shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.